talked in excited voices. Let us go to Bethlehem to see this which the Lord has made known to us. But how shall we find him? All we know is that he is wrapped in swaddling clothes and lying in a manger. If only we could fly above the city and look into all the houses, like the eyes of the stars. Surely these stars know the place of the Holy Child's birth. The shepherds were looking up at the sky when they saw a magnificent star. This star, with its shining tail, swept a radiant glow across the deep blue night. Hastily, the shepherds packed up their belongings, gathered their sheep, and followed the mysterious star. It was guiding them to Bethlehem to see the Holy Child. Far from Bethlehem, there was a king who lived in a splendid palace in the east. That very night, he saw the star and remembered the prophecy of old. It said there would be born a King of Kings, a Lord of Lords, a Prince of Peace, and a star would lead the way. From his balcony, the king watched the star. Its shining light reflected like the sun. The child